Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can design t-shirt in Printify. So let's get straight into it. Now browse to the catalog. So on the left side of this dashboard you will see section of catalog. Click on that and you will select here t-shirt. So let's go with men clothing and t-shirt. Like that. Now right here you will select a style. Popular option included the Bella plus Canvas 3001. So here you really select what you like. So I will go just with this one, like that. So right here you then again check some details about this t-shirt, how many colors you have, sizes, some delivery, lowest price, most shipping options, like that. And right here you will then start designing. Click on this button and you will be redirected to the next page where you are basically in the editor uh, page. Now what you are going to do is you can add text right over here. On the left side you have these tools which you can help with. So if you adding a text, you have bunch of options right over here with these templates of the text. Then you have also here graphics. You can upload your own if you have some JPEG, PNG or SVG files uh, for your design. You can also use AI. So I typed in and let's see what it will happen. Then you have also this Shutterstock or Fiverr. These are already made creators, which they are offering you some options right here. Obviously, you need to pay them, and here on the Fiverr you can get artists. On the right side here you have select variants. So here you will select colors which you like to have, and every color has also these sizes which you can also select. Then at the bottom here you have front and back side of this design. And when you are happy with this, you can just save product right at the bottom right corner, and you made yourself a design. So I hope this video helped you out how to design a t-shirt. If this video helped you out, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next